In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to HighLevel using Make.com or Zapier. If you want to automatically send new Typeform submissions into your HighLevel account, this is a simple and effective workflow to set up. The goal here is to capture form responses as soon as someone submits them, then pass that information directly into HighLevel so your contacts and custom fields stay updated without any manual work. To begin, go to Make.com or Zapier, depending on which automation platform you prefer to use. Both tools are designed to connect apps together, and the overall setup is very similar in either one. Once you're inside the platform, create a new automation or workflow so you can start building the connection between your form and your CRM. Next, choose Typeform as the trigger app and select the trigger event for a new submission. This tells the automation to watch your Typeform and start the workflow every time a new response comes in. After selecting that trigger, make sure the correct Typeform account and form are connected. This is important because the automation needs to know exactly which form to monitor. After that, set lead connector, also known as HighLevel, as the action app. This is the step where the submitted data from Typeform will be sent into your HighLevel account. Depending on your setup, you'll choose the action that creates or updates a contact so the form submission becomes usable inside your CRM. Now it's time to map the responses from Typeform to the appropriate fields in HighLevel. For example, you can connect the name field from the form to the contact name field, the email response to the email field, and any custom answers to the matching custom fields in HighLevel. Take your time during this part, because accurate field mapping is what ensures your data lands in the right place. If your Typeform includes unique questions, make sure each one is matched carefully so nothing important gets lost in the transfer. Once everything is mapped, save the automation and run a test. Testing helps confirm that the trigger is pulling in the submission correctly and that HighLevel is receiving the data as expected. Submit a sample response through your Typeform, then check your HighLevel account to verify that the contact details and custom field information appear correctly. And that's it. Once your test is successful, your pipeline integration is ready to use and future Typeform submissions should flow into HighLevel automatically.